Hi everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling the infamous P0141 trouble code, oxygen sensor heater circuit malfunction bank 1, sensor 2. This code means there's an issue with the heating element in your upstream oxygen sensor. Don't worry, we'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing it step by step. Let's get started. DTC P0141 stands for Oxygen Sensor Heater Circuit Malfunction Bank 1, Sensor 2. It indicates that there's a problem with the heater circuit of engine bank 1's downstream motor sensor. Your car's PCM tests the oxygen sensor's heater circuits for integrity. Faulty oxygen sensor. Damaged or deteriorated wiring to the oxygen sensor. Corrosion on the sensor, wiring, or connector. The check engine light is on or flashing. Engine idles or runs roughly, especially prior to warm-up. Failed emissions test. Reduced fuel economy. Black smoke from the tailpipe. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 2 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. After replacing the sensor, clear the code with your OBD-II scanner. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. If the code doesn't reappear, you've successfully fixed the issue. And that's it, you've successfully fixed the P0141 code. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs like this keep your car running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.